Aiper Seagull Pro Troubleshooting Error Messages. Facing error messages with your Aiper Seagull Pro can be frustrating. Knowing what these messages mean can help you fix the issue quickly. This section will guide you through common error codes and how to reset the device. Common error codes. Understanding common error codes can save you time. Below is a table of frequent error messages and their meanings. Error code, description, solution. MERL1, battery low. Charge the device. E02, obstacle detected. Remove obstacles. E03, brush stuck. Clean the brush. E04, software error. Restart the device. Resetting your Aiper Seagull Pro can resolve many issues. Follow these simple steps. 1. Power off the device. 2. Wait for 10 seconds. 3. Press and hold the reset button. 4. Release the button after 5 seconds. 5. Power on the device again. These steps should clear most error messages. If the problem persists, contact customer support.